Hi, it's Tom from Two River Computer. Happy St. Patrick's Day? Yeah, it's hard to be happy with all the craziness that's going on around us. And it seems like every day we wake up to a new normal. So what we want to do is we want to tell you about how you can work with us because we know you need your computers. You need them for work. You need them to stay in touch with your family and your other loved ones, whether they're 2 miles away or, halfway across the country. We also know that you need them for entertainment. You might be cooped up. So we're here to help. And we have a couple of ways to do that. One of them is that we can remotely repair your computer, depending on the type of problem. But generally speaking, we can get in over the internet using a secure connection. And we can take over your computer and try and cure what ails it. There's some things that we can't fix remotely, but there's a lot of things that we do. We've been doing this with our business customers for years, and we're able to do it with anyone who needs our help. So reach out to us for how to do that, but I'm going to give you a little demonstration of how that works right now. For us to take remote control of your computer, you need to be able to get online. So if you can get online, we need you to go to tworivercomputer.com. And on our homepage, there is a tab at the top that says Remote Help, and you'll click on that. And then we have this big Help button. You can't miss that. And when you click on the Help button, it's going to bring you to this page. Now, I already populated this. Basically, put your name in there. And then we will give you a one-time single-use support key that you will put in that box there. That allows us to get in this time and this time only to be able to do this work. So it'll begin the download process, and you'll follow the yellow arrows that tell you what to do. Basically, it says open this download, and you'll follow the prompts. And every answer here has got to be affirmative, yes and okay, and because we want to do this. And now it's going to start the session. And the very last window says, Two River Computers invited you to a support session. We will be able to see your screen, control your mouse, transfer files, and request diagnostic information. Do you want to join? And the answer is going to be yes. Now, right now, down at the bottom, this means that there's a remote session in play right now, and you can stop it. If you don't like it, if you're not feeling comfortable, you can stop it. You can click on the chat box to talk to us if we're not on the phone together. We can transfer files back and forth to each other if you're having a problem with a file. Or you can just end the session altogether. So we're going to go ahead and end it now, but that's basically what it takes to do that. And we're done. So it's possible we may not be able to fix your problem remotely. If that's true, we can still help you out two ways. One is we can come and pick up your computer from you, and we want you to practice some safe habits. If this is going to happen, we want to be kind of contactless, like the restaurants are doing, curbside pickup and drop off. If you wipe your computer down, and typically if it's a desktop, meaning a 4-piece computer, the tower, monitor, keyboard, and mouse, all we need is the tower, no cables or cords of any kind. Just wipe the thing down with a disinfectant wipe, put it in a garbage bag if you like, and then we'll time it. We can phone you when we're just outside your home. You can call us and say it's sitting on the front porch, whatever you like, and we'll go ahead and we'll pick that up, bring it back to our shop, which we are wiping down constantly. And we use gloves and we use wipes and hand sanitizer. I mean, we're going crazy here. But we'll fix your computer and we will return it back to you the same way that we picked it up. The other is we can come on site, and we have done videos about that. And I can point down below. I'll leave you a link on where to click, and you can watch some important information about how we can help each other if we come on site. But I want to show you just a little about what you're going to do if we're going to come and pick up your computer. There's more information in our other video about wiping down the keyboard and the mouse if we're going to come on site. But if we're going to pick this up from you, all you need to do is basically shut it down, unplug everything, and then take a alcohol wipe or some kind of wipe and just wipe the thing down completely. I mean, I know you know how to wipe things down, so you don't need me to show you how to do that, but just wipe it down. Pay particular attention to the power button, and you can't hurt it. You can't hurt the computer. This is gonna evaporate pretty quickly. But if you go ahead and do that and then maybe put it in a garbage bag, we'll be good to go to work on it. You see it's drying up already, so don't worry about cleaning it up, but just keep it safe for you and me. So thanks for watching today. I know that many of you are anxious or fearful, and there's a lot going on, and it's a little bit of a crazy time. But we know that we need each other, and we're here to help you the best way that we can. We'll certainly try to help you remotely to keep the contact to a minimum. But if we have to bring your computer to us, well, like I said, we'll come and get it and then fix it and return it. But if we have to bring your computer to us, just clean it down for us before you come. And if we have to come on site because it's that type of a problem, just wipe down the surfaces that we'll be touching. If it's going to be a computer or even your doorknob, handrails, any of that stuff, just be smart, be responsible, and we will too. And we'll all get through this together.